Hi friends, so welcome to today's trading session. So let us see how we did the trade today, and let me tell you, I had a very hectic day today. Reason being, Bank Nifty was acting like a dragon. Today it was really like taming the dragon. It was moving with all kinds of swings, up and down, up and down. There was no clear-cut direction. Neither the market was moving sideways, neither there was any premium decay, and I had a very difficult time today taming the dragon. That is nothing but the Bank Nifty. But let me tell you, these are the days when we just have to limit our losses, make sure that our losses are within the limit, and then when the profits come, it will ensure that these losses are recovered and we come back in profits. Okay, it's part and parcel of the game. So let us look into today's trade, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot in today's adjustment as well. So let's go into the video. Okay, so today Bank Nifty opened with a gap up. It was a good day. VIX also was coming down, and when I looked into the open interest, what I can see is that a lot of call writing, but it was marginal. Let me just refresh and show you. So this is how presently it is. You can see the call writing is heavily at 36,000. And also you can see almost call there, the call change is on the higher side. So 36,000 is acting as a very good resistance. So let me just first mark the line so that I will have a range to trade for the day, and till then I can keep my positions neutral, and once it breaks the ranges I can take my trade accordingly. Okay, when it comes to the support, I don't find much big values. There is nothing big acting as support, but then let us look into the price action. You can see at this multiple points, Bank Nifty has got rejected from this point. That is nothing but the previous high prices. You can see here multiple times it has got rejected at this price. This was a high price of yesterday. So I'm sure there is going to be a lot of support at this particular point. So this is going to be the range for my day. Below this, I will expect the market to go down, crash down, and above this, we can also go bullish. So this is going to be the range for the day, and I'll be playing accordingly. Okay, so start off with a small quantity by taking a straddle, and you can see that the premium decay is not all there today. The prices are increasing, the premiums also are increasing. So we just have to be careful on such days, and then when there are good premium decays, we just make good money out of it. Okay, as you can see, it is continuously increasing. So since the market was slightly going down, I added a little bit of call option as well, because I can see that the market was going down, and in order to maintain my positions delta neutral, I just added extra call option. Okay, so you can see how it is. Its market is trying to go down. Sorry, Bank Nifty is trying to go down, and to make my positions neutral, I have added another call option. So presently it's fair enough, it's going smooth, but no premium decay at all, and its market is still, Bank Nifty is still moving sideways, and it's time for me to add more positions as well. Okay, so then I have just added more positions. I have utilized my entire capital. I took hedge positions as well to make sure I get extra fund. So I have entered full capital, and presently I am in a delta slightly neutral, negative bias, slightly bearish, but then I will just wait. Okay, now friends, this is what I was talking about. You can see the point, the line which I drew, the support line which I drew. It very clearly indicates that the market is bouncing from that point. Now you can see once again at 10 o'clock the market has bounced from that point. So this is the power of, some people will say indicators are all lagging, but if at all you want something which is leading, then you need to go to something like this kind of price action. Price actions are always leading indicators. So it gives a very clear indications to you. Even open interest is a leading indicator. It gives you a clear idea as to where a lot of buyers are there, where a lot of sellers are there, and where you can expect the resistance and support. And mind you, again, these are not 100% perfect. These are all 50% accuracy only. But along with technicals, if you join, it will give you very good results. Okay, so below this, I'm expecting the market to crash down. So I will be negative below this line, and if it is between these two support and resistance, I will maintain myself neutral. Okay, so for confirmation sake, I just thought I will wait for the super trend price to cross a super trend, but you can see it is bouncing back from this level. So once it crosses the super trend, I can go bearish. Positions as of now, there is no decay at all, though the market is moving sideways. There is no decay at all, and you can see still market is trying to come down. Our line, yes, at 1040, friends, you can see it has very clearly broken down our support line as well as the super trend indicator. So that is why I made my positions bearish. Okay, so you can see call options are majority, and I just kept one put option just in case if the market reverses, we might need it. It will really help us. And as of now, there is no much profits as well. If it continues from here going down, we will be in very good profits. But the worst part will be if at all it reverses from here, which we need to accept it. Market can move in any way. We have to accept whichever directions. Okay, as expected, you can see. Sorry, not as expected, as unexpected, you can see that the market has Banknifty has bounced exactly from the level which I have mentioned. So once again proving that there is a lot of support at that particular point, and it is not allowing the market Banknifty to go below this particular point. Yesterday the high also was around the same level. Today also you can see it is bouncing from the same level. Unfortunately, I was completely biased. I was bearish, and this recovery, this going off top has created a big loss for me. Okay, you can see this V recovery happening. So presently my positions are bleeding. I started to bleed, but that's okay because our bias went wrong, our direction went wrong for today, and we need to accept it. Okay, so now I'm just trying to add put options, and if at all market continues to go up, I'll be adding more put options. I'll just wait for price to cross the super trend. Once if it crosses the super trend, then I will make my position neutral, but still I believe that it will come down. Chances are there to come down. That is why I'm still maintaining a bearish view. Okay, friends, so you can see it reversing from there. Once again a bounce from there, reversing from the super trend. Once again you can see I'm still bearish. I have kept my position bearish. Calls are heavier than the puts because in case I'm expecting the market to go down. So friends, so around 1:30 you can see this is how the market has moved, and it was very devastating. I was almost fed up doing all the adjustments, but this particular spike ruined my day. You can see sudden almost 300 points crash in Bank Nifty ruined my day, and I almost ended up in making loss of 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh. But that again, it is within my limit. I don't lose more than 2% of my capital on a particular day. I try to always keep it less than 2%. And I'll just show you, yeah, this particular spike spoiled my day. Till then, by then I had almost recovered. I had come to profits, but then this spike spoiled it. And so this is the positions for the day. I just let me see. Yeah, it's the latest updated figure. End of the day, I closed at 1,21,653, and as you saw, the reason was this. There was sudden spikes in market today. You can see there was one initial big spike here, again one more spike here, then again market one big candle here, then another two big sudden spikes over here, which almost spoiled my day. And I closed my positions, and it was a loss of 1,21,000 for today. But the key thing which you have to learn from this is, friends, whenever we are losing, we are just trying to lose within the limits. We are not trying to lose more than whatever we have gained. And whenever we limit our losses, this is the beauty of doing adjustments. Why when people do adjustment, reason is this: whenever we make loss, we just have to ensure that the loss is within the limit. My limit for the day is always 2%, less than 2%, and then the profits will automatically take care of themselves. I don't have to worry about the profits. So this is the method which I always follow, and today is a loss making day, which is part and parcel of our trading. 40 to 50% of the time we have to accept losses in a month. So that's how the trading is all about. Okay, friends, hope you like today's video, and hope you like today's adjustments as well. Any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.